How to visualize. The secret to what visualization really is. Whether you're just starting to learn about the law of attraction or have been working on your manifestation goals for some time now, you'll likely be well aware of the importance placed on the technique of visualization. However, there are dozens of misconceptions about what visualization really is, and how to visualize effectively. Here are the visualization secrets you need to know. What is visualization? Visualization involves creating images, whether it be in your mind or physically creating them, which show your goals and dreams you have for your life. You can visualize by creating vision boards, where you physically have the pictures in front of you, or just visualizing in your mind what you want in your life. Visualization helps you to find, manifest and focus on your goals and aspirations. Once you have the images and visions in mind, you can also start to feel the emotions you have for them too. This can help to motivate you and keep you reaching for these goals. Visualization versus creation. The basic idea behind visualization is that in order to get what you want in life, you have to be able to picture that thing clearly, and in as much detail as possible. However, you need to know that it isn't through visualizing that we actually create. Rather, when we visualize our manifestation goal, we elevate our frequency, bringing our energy in line with the thing we want to come into our lives. It's important not to underestimate its integral role in creating our heart's desires. However, so too is it vital to realize that visualizing does not itself create things. The origins of visualization. We all come into the world with an innate capacity for visualization. You can probably remember how that capacity manifested in childhood when you would play pretend. Perhaps you turned a stick into a magic wand, pictured a cardboard box as a racing card, imagined your dolls and stuffed animals talking back to you. If you can recall moments like those, you probably know that you could see the imaginary world around you as though it was as real as anything else. However, you and the rest of us got slowly trained out of visualizing in this way as you grew older. We're all told that we have more important things to do, serious tasks to attend to, and that we need to grow up. The good news is that even if your ability is dormant or reduced, it can never actually be lost. What exactly do you need right now when trying to manifest a better life? How can you use visualization to your advantage? As it turns out, visualization is sort of like a practice run for reality. It can be incredibly powerful in pushing you through resistance. Let's take a closer look at why. What visualization is for. When you visualize, you refine and improve your mental conception of what you're trying to manifest. You have the chance to locate and remove any conflicting vibrations that may be confusing the universe about what you really want. For example, suppose that you want to find the love of your life. So, you start the visualization process. To begin with, you might imagine sharing your home with your new partner, picturing their things around your rooms. You imagine what it's like to greet them when they arrive after a day at work. However, before you know it, you might imagine that you're arguing. The visualization has taken on a life of its own. In other words, it may have started to travel down a negative road. You might be tempted to chalk such visualization experiences up as failures. After all, very few experts talk about the fact that visualizations can take these darker turns. The truth is that you can actually learn a lot from experiences like this. You can actually improve your long-term chances of creating the life you yearn for. When a visualization doesn't go as you expect, this is your brain telling you about vibrations and frequencies that don't serve you. In the case mentioned above, for example, your mind may be pointing you to an underlying limiting belief that needs to be tackled if you're going to manifest, say, the belief that you don't truly deserve anything good, or that all relationships ultimately end in pain and conflict. If these contradicting frequencies remain, you won't be able to get what you want. However, if you detect them and then work to ensure you vibrate on one, uniform and positive frequency, you'll be closer to success than ever. And all because of an unpleasant visualization.